Imagine a world where machines not only follow instructions but think and reason like us. This isn't a sci-fi movie plot but the potential future of artificial intelligence. The dawn of AI began with a simple concept: rule-based AI. It was the first stage in the evolutionary ladder of artificial intelligence, a time when machines were engineered to follow a set of predefined rules meticulously, without deviation. They were efficient, but their capabilities were limited. They could only perform tasks for which they were specifically programmed, lacking the ability to learn or adapt. This era of rule-based AI, while revolutionary, was just a glimpse into the potential of these digital intellects. As impressive as rule-based AI was, it was just the tip of the iceberg. The real evolution was yet to begin. From following rules, AI took a massive leap towards understanding context. This marked the beginning of the second stage in the evolution of artificial intelligence: context awareness and retention systems. No longer confined to predetermined rules, AI began to comprehend and remember the context of information. Imagine a conversation where each response is not just based on the immediate question, but also takes into account the entire history of the dialogue. That's precisely what began to happen. AI started to remember past interactions, leading to improved and more human-like conversations. It was a profound shift. The systems were no longer mere machines processing code. They started to reflect a semblance of understanding. They could remember, learn from past experiences, and apply this knowledge in future interactions, just like us humans. This evolution was a significant stride towards making AI more relatable, more intuitive, and more intelligent. But the journey didn't stop there. The relentless march of AI continued. But AI was not done evolving. It was ready to master specific domains. AI began to master specific domains, outperforming humans in some areas. This marked the advent of the third stage of AI evolution, the domain-specific mastery systems. This was the point where AI started to demonstrate its prowess, showing its capability to outperform even the most skilled humans in certain tasks. For instance, AI systems began to dominate in games like chess and Go, games that were once considered the epitome of human strategic thinking. These AI systems, tailored for specific tasks, began to surpass human performance in areas of image and speech recognition, creating a revolution in the way we interact with technology. But it wasn't just games and recognition tasks. AI also started to outshine humans in complex fields like weather prediction and medical diagnosis, areas that require intense computational capabilities and data analysis. Impressive, isn't it? But AI was just warming up. The next stage was where things started to get really interesting. Now, AI was not just following rules or understanding context, it was starting to think and reason. Welcome to the fourth stage of AI evolution, the realm of thinking and reasoning AI systems. This is where it gets exciting. AI started to mimic human cognitive processes, making decisions, solving problems, and even learning from experiences. Imagine an AI that can play chess, not just by following a set of rules, but by strategizing, by contemplating the opponent's moves, by learning from its past games. This was no longer a machine following a script. It was an entity that could think, reason, and learn. It was a giant leap in the evolution of AI, a leap that brought us closer to creating a machine that could think like a human. But remember, closer doesn't mean there. AI was getting closer to human intelligence, but it was not there yet. The next stage, however, brought it one step closer. The fifth stage marked the advent of AGI, where AI could potentially understand, learn, and apply knowledge across any intellectual task that a human being can. This is the realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. It's a stage of evolution where machines not only mimic human intelligence but can perform any intellectual task that a human can. It's like having a digital Einstein, Shakespeare, and Picasso all rolled into one. But it's not just about replicating human intelligence, it's about surpassing it. AGI can process information at an unimaginable speed, never forgets anything, and isn't subject to human biases. It's an intellectual powerhouse beyond our wildest dreams. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. The advent of AGI raises serious ethical considerations. What happens when machines surpass human intelligence? How do we ensure these super-intelligent systems operate within ethical boundaries? These are questions humanity must grapple with as we venture further into the age of AGI. As if AGI wasn't enough, the AI evolution had another twist in store. Welcome to the realm of ASI, where AI surpasses human intelligence. This is the stage of artificial superintelligence, a theoretical concept that represents a turning point in the evolution of AI. Here, AI's cognitive abilities are speculated to exceed those of all humans combined. It's a realm where AI could potentially solve problems that humans can't, propose new scientific theories, and even create its own AI. The potential implications of ASI are as vast as they are uncertain. It could lead to unprecedented advancements in technology and society, or it could pose existential risks if not managed properly. The discussions around ASI are intense and varied. Some see it as a beacon of hope for solving humanity's biggest challenges, while others warn of the dangers of creating an intelligence that could outthink us. As mind-boggling as ASI is, the final stage of the AI evolution is the most enigmatic of all. Get ready for the most controversial and fascinating stage of AI evolution, the AI Singularity. This is where our journey through the stages of AI evolution has been leading us. The singularity, a term borrowed from physics, represents a point of such intense technological growth that it becomes impossible to predict or comprehend what lies beyond. The AI singularity is a theoretical point in the future, when artificial intelligence will have developed to a stage where it can improve itself rapidly and without human intervention. This self-improvement cycle could lead to an explosion of intelligence, an intelligence so advanced that it surpasses all human intelligence. The implications of this are immense, and the debates surrounding it are equally intense. On one hand, the AI singularity could unlock unparalleled benefits. It could solve some of the most complex problems that humanity faces, from climate change to curing diseases, and potentially even achieving immortality. On the other hand, it could also pose significant risks. If unchecked, superintelligent AI could lead to unforeseen consequences, potentially even posing an existential threat to humanity. The potential impact on humanity is profound. It's not just about the technology, it's about how we as a society adapt and evolve. The AI singularity could redefine what it means to be human, blurring the lines between humans and machines. It could challenge our notions of consciousness, identity, and even reality itself. Yet, despite these profound implications, the concept of the AI singularity remains largely speculative. It's a horizon that seems to recede as we approach it, a tantalizing glimpse of a future that we can imagine but not yet grasp. It's a future filled with promise and peril, a future that demands our attention, our understanding, and most importantly, our preparation. The AI singularity represents an era of unprecedented change, a future that is as fascinating as it is unpredictable. It's not just the evolution of AI, it's the evolution of humanity itself.